Hey guys, James Paradise, what's going on? Real quick, I'm going to make a quick video here to answer a question. Somebody said, James, how do you sell products all over the internet on Walmart.com, Amazon.com, Best Buy, Digistore, ClickBank, and how do you scale up your business? In other words, how do you sell more products? That's what I'm going to show you how to do right now, so keep watching, and at the end, I'm going to give you a special link where you can click on that link, go get one of my ads that's performing very well, selling thousands of products, making thousands of dollars daily, and you can use the same ad. So let's get into it real quick. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna sell this bag. Let's say I have this bag, okay, and I bought it for $1, and I'm gonna sell it for $5, which is a 400% profit. That's a 400% return on my money. If I can sell 1 million of these, I'll make $4 million. So I got the bag, I'm buying it for $1, and I'm gonna sell it for $5, which means I'm gonna make a $4 profit. You got that part? Just on this little bag. Now watch, here's the trick. I'm gonna create 5 ads, and I'm gonna run these 5 ads for 5 days on Facebook, Instagram, and Google, YouTube, okay? So Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Now, let's just start with Facebook, okay? I got this bag. I bought it for $1. I'm going to sell it for $5. I'm going to make how much? A $4 profit. I'm going to spend $5 on each of those 5 ads, which is $25 per day for 5 days. So, 5 ads. They're different ads promoting this bag that people are going to go buy on my website or Amazon or wherever. Again, I teach people how to do this live. And I'm gonna run 5 ads, spend $5 times 5 ads, which is $25 times 5 days, which is $125 total to test the ads to see how many people buy this bag. Are you keeping up so far?
BJ, you're at the beach, woohoo! Wow, look at that.
Okay, so here we go. So now, as I'm walk up to the beach, okay? Now I'm going to test those ads. So now on Facebook and Instagram, you can track your ads. You can track your clicks. You can track your views. You can track how many people actually converted, called conversions, who bought the bag. So let's say over the next 5 days, I get 1,000 people that viewed this bag. And out of those 1,000 people, 20%, which is 200, actually went to buy the bag. So that's 200 sales in 5 days. Now, what's 200 times $5? Because remember, I'm selling it for $5. I bought it for $1. I'm selling it for $5, so I can make a profit, right? And actually, that's a small profit. We have stuff that we're selling where we're making a 1,500% return. But what's 200 sales times $5? $5 times 200. What are we talking about? We're talking about what, $10,000? $1,000? So let's do the math. 200 times $5, right? Well, 100 times $5 is 500. 200 times $5 is 1,000. So that's $1,000 we made in 5 days. Got it? $1,000, 5 days. Now, I know you're not getting rich yet, but just hold on, because the numbers are going to get huge in a second when I teach you this trick. So here's the trick, guys. Here's the next step 2 or 3. You take the ad that performed best. In other words, out of those 5 ads, remember, I spent $5 in 5 days on 5 ads, a total of $25. We did $1,000 in sales, so I've already made a huge profit. I've made $875 so far, right? Hey, baby Bruce, step over here. Hang out over here real quick. So listen, as we're walking up the street, it's a little busy right now. So I made $875 in 5 days, but here's the trick. Out of those 5 ads, 1 ad did the best. So out of all those 5 ads, 1 ad, I sold most of those bags, the 200 bags. I sold about 150 bags from 1 ad, 150. So now I'm going to take 4 ads, delete them, block them, cancel them, get rid of them, and I'm just going to focus on that 1 ad, and now I'm going to sell millions of bags. Okay, so here's how that works. Now, over the next 5 days, over the next 10 days, I'm going to take the next 5 days, and I'm going to triple my ad spend. So I'm not going to spend $5 a day. Now I'm going to spend about $15 a day over the next 5 days on that one ad that sold 150 of these bags, right? And then I'm going to track those results over the next 5 days. So keep watching, because here's what happens every single time. Is it on? Hey, this is what happens when you get locked in a store in Mexico when they're closing. You got to come out of this small little space. It's crazy. But anyway, keep watching my videos. I'm going to teach you now how to live a good life, but how to make a lot of money online with my systems. Comment below and tell me that you love this stuff. Okay, now we got another 5 days. I took the best ad that sold the most bags, and I just kept running that ad on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, we'll talk about YouTube later. Now we sold 1,000 bags in the next second 5 days. So in the next 5 days, one ad, the best ad, we sold 1,000 bags times $5. That's $5,000 from one ad. But remember, I tripled my ad spend. I was spending $15 a day times $5. Times 5 days. So 5 times $15, again, what are we talking about here? $75. But I made $5,000 from spending $75 on an ad to sell these bags. And it's only been 10 days. So far I made $5,000 and I made $1,000. I'm up $6,000 in 10 days. But hold on, wait, keep watching, because it's gonna get a lot bigger. Watch. All right, here's the next secret, guys. Here's how you make money online. I'm telling you, all the multimillionaires, this is exactly what we do. I'm gonna take that one ad. Now I'm gonna spend $100 a day for the next 5 days. We're talking 15 days now. But I'm going to spend $100. I'm going to scale up my ad spend, and I'm going to spend $100 in the next 5 days, and we're going to sell 10,000 of these bags. So now we're selling 10,000 bags in the next 5 days, but I spent $100 a day times 5 days, which is a total of $500 again, but we're selling 10,000 bags now. So what's 10,000 times $5? $50,000 in the next 5 days, but I had to spend another how much? $100 times 5 days, which is $500. So I invested $500 now on one ad on Facebook and Instagram to sell this bag on Amazon or Walmart or ClickBank, anywhere. I can create my own website with Shopify. I can create my own website and just call it mybags.com. I got the bestbags.com, whatever. And this is what I teach my paying clients how to do, and we do it literally in 3 to 5 days. So now we just sold another 10,000 bags. I made $50,000 in, I think, 20 days selling this bag. But the secret, guys, is this. I'm selling these bags all over the world because the internet is all over the world. So Amazon ships these bags to 26 different countries. Amazon gets a little piece, yeah. But if I could show you how to make all the money, create your own web page, your own sales page, and I'll teach you how to run ads on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and TikTok and Twitter and LinkedIn and Google, everywhere, all over the internet, Snapchat, you name it, Reddit, okay, Yelp, freaking you name it, Pinterest. The secret is learning how to invest money into a successful ad and get rich. If you're interested, I want you to click below. Give me your name and number. I'll get you on a live call. My information's right there, guys. Smash that like button. Click to subscribe. It's free. Just subscribe. Help me out. I'll help you out. But I want to teach you how to make money, a lot of money, selling stuff. People need bags, and they're willing to buy it online. They might as well buy it from you. Why don't you learn how to get rich running one ad, make a lot of money selling stuff that people really need, but you need somebody like me to teach you how to do it live, and we'll do it in 3 days. Guaranteed you'll make money, or you never have to call me again or talk to me again, or you don't even have to subscribe. But below, click my WhatsApp number, call me on WhatsApp live, send me a text message, send me an email, give me your name, your number, your email. I'll get you on a live strategy call. I'll show you how to get rich selling basic stuff that people buy every single day worldwide. I'll see you on the next video.